you'll be earning more than, enough to make sure that you're okay and you're able to meet your needs. So we'll have to see, is the answer. I wish I had, I do have a crystal ball, but it doesn't show me all of the future, just a little bit. And that's not one of the things it showed me. So I don't know if that answered your question or not, but those are my thoughts on the subject. We got Kevin, Mr. Teeter. He says, "Good evening, kind sir. Thank you for all that you do for the community. What kind of price appreciation do you see for XRPN in the first year once the SPAC is complete? Will the Treasury be used to stabilize the price of XRP?" It's an interesting question. I am excited for Evernode. I think that they are going to be successful in their endeavors. I think that they're going to be able to seed a lot of the DeFi protocols and help build out a lot of the models and infrastructure to be able to allow corporates and institutions to kind of see what they're doing and model their stuff after that with G Treasury and Ripple Prime and the products that they're putting together for XRP and RLUSD. But as far as, stabilizing the price of XRP, really the mechanism for the stabilization of the price of XRP is the escrow. Ripple sells onto the market every single month, and that holds price down. People don't like that, which I completely understand, but it funds their business and allows them to continue to build the integrations for the larger adoption of the network and XRP itself. So for them to stabilize the price, I'm not sure by which mechanism they'd be able to do that. They will definitely lock that XRP up and put it to work in different pools and AMMs and other DeFi, as well as other means to be able to generate returns on that XRP that they'll be able to pay out to their investors, or pass back to their investors through a higher valuation on the stock or trading above NAV. I do think that they're going to be successful in that. What price do I think it'll go to? I think it was trading at like $10.60-something last time I looked at it, but that's been a little bit. It could be more or less than that now, not sure. To be candid with you, it's not something that I keep up with on a daily basis. I have direct exposure to XRP. And so, I haven't looked at investing in the DATs or the ETFs. What I'll say about the DAT is it depends on your risk tolerance. This is already a risky asset class. I view XRP as again, not financial advice. I think it's a sure bet out of all the things that are out there. I think it's the lowest risk crypto to invest in personally, and that's why my investments are there. But again, you should do your own research. I'm just one guy on the internet. There's a lot of other opinions out there, so take it with a grain of salt. But the XRPN or these DATs are a leveraged play. So if this